In primetime news tonight, massive losses. Ken Jones and the Grill Aerodrones operating in the red. But how bad is it? Jamaica Agriculture Society under scrutiny following claims of possible corruption. Rat infestation hurting business at Montego Bay Transport Center. And U.S. sanctions Venezuelan company that owns part of Petrojam.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also in this newscast, we have the business news, and Herman Green is here with a preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, more divestment of government assets is coming. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement on the weekend. Just how soon? I'll tell you in the business day.
And from Herman to sports, Jordan Fort is standing by.
Yes, Archie, the Jamaica Table Tennis Association president and its members are currently locked in a meeting. I'll tell you why in Primetime Sports Monday.
Thank you so much, Jordan. Now it's now time for our feedback question, Archie.
This evening we're asking, do the police treat inner city residents differently from the rest of the population? And we're asking you to state reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in details right after this break.